My students, we are from lesson number 12, which was very, very important about subject, verb, agreement. Now, I want us to dive directly into lesson number 13, or about compound sentences. And also, inside the bracket of compound sentences, it's all about connecting ideas. You know, English is sweet. English is simple. In this page, rest assured, by the time you are done watching all through the playlist, you will be a greater person. You will be a greater man and a greater woman who knows English at the fingertips. Remember, you can give a good speech, you can talk well, but now grammar is all about rules. If you don't know the rules, get out of the game. We begin. Now, a compound sentence. Now, a compound sentence, simply the word compound means it has been compounded. It has been surmounted. Now, a compound sentence joins two simple sentences. That means that if I ask you types of sentences, tell me compound sentences, tell me simple sentences. A simple sentence has one idea. A compound has more than one idea, meaning it has two or more ideas. Now, in a compound sentence, we use what we call conjunctions. I taught you in course 1, that is playlist 1, I taught you about what we call the conjunctions, the connectors, the bridges. And the bridges I taught you well. Refer to the conjunctions. I taught you all about and, but, or, and so. Those are our conjunctions. Those are our joiners. Those are our bridges. They make sure that we bridge language and get to the next word without struggling. Now, come with me. Now the examples, I have beautiful examples for you here. Number 1, I like coffee. For example, you meet yourself in a situation that you want to say a statement and the other party also needs you to add the statement onto your wordings. For example, I like coffee. Let's say we have a lady here and she also likes what we call tea, or preferably she sees tea as something good. So I'll say this: I like coffee and she likes, what do we call it? She likes tea. Get the point. Let me show you something. Let me pick my pen here and show you something that is very, very important here. Look at me here. But now, I like coffee. The and here acts as what? Our connector. It is making sure that I like coffee. A simple sentence. She likes tea. A simple sentence. Join them. Use what we call now the connectors. The connecting ideas. Those are now the conjunctions. Another example that is very, very, very simple. It was raining. So I took an umbrella. You know, you can't say it was raining. I took an umbrella. That is not now a good paraphrasing of a statement. You must make sure that your statement are well connected. They are flowing like a river. It was raining. So I took an umbrella. This first idea, are we together? And this second idea here, they depend on each other. For you to take an umbrella, it must be caused by something. What is that? The weather change, which means it was raining. So I saw it wise to take an umbrella. So the big deal here is all about connecting sentences properly. Don't do it shoddily. You must do it at a good way or in a good manner so that you must meet the brim point of grammar. Now, let me get to the last sentence. He ran fast. He missed the bus. He ran fast. He missed the bus. You know, you can't come and tell us, you know what, hello guys, I have something to tell you. He ran fast. He missed the bus. That is not in concord with the grammatical pattern. We must say, he ran fast. But now acts as what? Our conjunction to compound these two simple sentences. And we can say that he ran fast, but, are we together? He did what? He missed the bus. So the big deal of all this teaching here is that you can't just say simple sentences. We are moving. Remember, we are moving to a top notch, to a top level. We must connect ideas and bring flavor to language, to grammar. He ran fast, but he missed the bus. And then begin. You can't bring this, let's say, you can't bring this conjunction and use it here. You can't say he ran fast and he missed the bus. You know? So we have conjunction, the connectors that negate the first information. And we have conjunction that fill onto the next information. Okay, for example, I like coffee and she likes tea. This is conjunction of contrast. Contrast. So, and she likes tea. It's not additional information. It is contrast. It was raining, so I took an umbrella. This is, we call them, this idea of taking an umbrella has been caused by this factor of raining. So we can't say, it was raining, but I took an umbrella. You know, but is used to negate the fact or the first statement. So when connecting ideas, you must be very, very, very keen and critical. And by doing so, I'll teach you more. I'm here, that is my job here, to make sure that I teach you more on compound sentences, connecting ideas, and also much about simple sentences. If you love my lessons, can you tell me what part are you interested in? What part do you want me to coach you more in? Remember, this is your place to learn, to study more, and to elevate your thinking. Thank you so much for those who have tuned in. May you like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much. We'll meet in lesson number 14. It will be greater. Remember, if you don't get it, get out of the game.